Hello guys, today we are gonna solve a question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have. We have to integrate a function, and the function is 1 upon root 1 plus 4x square, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. So what should be our approach? Our approach should be that we can somehow convert it into the form of 1 upon under root x square plus a square, and then we can use our standard identity that is written over here. So let us do that. So what we do, we suppose 2x equal to 2t, and then we differentiate it on the both sides. So we get 2dx is equal to dt. Now we substitute the values respectively in the integration, and our integration gets simplified to half multiplied by integration of dt upon 1 plus t square. Now sorry, not this, there is some mistake here, it should be root here. Yeah, so our integration simplifies to dt upon root of 1 plus t square. Now we can see that our a is equal to 1 and x is equal to t, so we can simply apply this formula here. So our final integration becomes half multiplied by log of t plus root 1 plus t square plus c. Or finally, what we have to do, we see that our t is there in this function, but we are given with a variable x, so we have to back substitute the value of t into x, and we have t is equal to 2x here, so we can substitute the value of t here and here as well. So what we get, half into log of 2x plus root of 4x square plus 1 plus c as our constant. So that is our final integration. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.